In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Activity Feed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect, so you can quickly check the latest updates without hunting through menus or missing anything important. Think of the Activity Feed as your rolling timeline of what's happening across your sales work. It's the place where recent interactions and updates appear in one continuous view, helping you understand what just changed, what's in motion, and where attention might be needed. If you're managing multiple deals or accounts, this feed keeps you grounded in the most current activity, so you can stay responsive and make informed decisions faster. To get there on a desktop browser, start by heading to Sales, then open Sales Workspace, and finally click the Feed tab at the top. The Sales area is typically visible in your main navigation, and the Sales Workspace brings together your core sales tools in one place. Once you're in the workspace, focus on the top row of tabs. The one labeled Feed is your destination. A single click on that tab opens the Activity Feed view. When the feed loads, you'll see a chronological stream that surfaces what's been happening recently. Entries are ordered from most recent to older, so the newest information sits right at the top. This makes it easy to scan through updates and get an immediate snapshot of momentum across your pipeline. The entries often include brief summaries, timestamps, and clear context, so you can understand what changed and when at a glance. As you review the feed, treat it as a quick status layer rather than a deep dive workspace. It's designed to help you stay oriented and prioritize follow-up, especially when you're checking in between meetings or preparing for a call. If your screen layout looks a bit different, don't worry. Organizations sometimes customize labels and layout. The key idea remains the same. Within Sales Workspace, look to the top navigation and select the tab named Feed to view your activity stream. A quick recap before we wrap up. On a desktop browser, navigate to Sales, choose Sales Workspace, and click the Feed tab at the top. That simple path takes you straight to your activity feed, so you can monitor updates in one convenient place. That's all you need to view the activity feed with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this walkthrough anytime you want a fast reminder of where the feed lives and how to access it.